Bonita Platform Online Training. What is Bonita Platform and how does it streamline business process automation? Bonita Platform is an open-source business process management (BPM) and workflow automation solution developed by Bonitasoft. It is designed to help organizations design, automate, manage, and optimize their business processes efficiently. Bonita provides a low-code and extensible approach, making it suitable for both business users and developers. How Bonita Platform streamlines business process automation. Process modeling and design. Bonita includes a drag-and-drop BPMN 2.0 process modeler that allows users to visually design workflows and business processes. Business users can define process steps, assign roles, and set conditions without deep coding expertise. Automation and execution. Once designed, workflows can be deployed and automated using Bonita's execution engine. Supports task assignments, notifications, escalations, and SLA tracking. Integration with external systems. Offers REST and SOAP APIs, connectors, and RPA integration to communicate with third-party applications, example ERP, CRM, databases. Custom business rules and scripts can be added using Java or Groovy. User interface and experience. Bonita provides UI designer tools to create customized web applications and dashboards. Allows embedding forms, widgets, and responsive layouts for an enhanced user experience. Monitoring and optimization. Process analytics and reporting help in tracking workflow performance and identifying bottlenecks. Real-time dashboards provide insights into operational efficiency. Flexibility and extensibility. Supports cloud, on-premises, and hybrid deployments. Extensible architecture allows custom plugins and microservices integration. How to design and model workflows using Bonita Studio. Designing and modeling workflows in Bonita Studio involves several steps, from defining process flows to configuring user tasks and automations. Below is a structured guide to help you get started. 1. Install Bonita Studio. Download and install Bonita Studio from the official website. Launch Bonita Studio and create a new process. 2. Define your process. Create a new process. Go to File, New, Process. Give your process a meaningful name and version. Set up the workflow. Drag and drop Start event onto the workspace. Add necessary tasks, user task, automated task, script task, etc. Connect them using sequence flows. Define the end event. Every process should have an end event. Connect all paths to the end event to complete the workflow. 3. Configure tasks and transitions. User tasks. Click on a task and go to the General tab. Assign the task to a user, group, or role. Configure forms using the UI designer to capture user inputs. Automatic tasks. Use script tasks for custom logic. Use connectors, example REST API, database, for external interactions. Gateways for decision making. Exclusive gateway directs flow based on conditions. Parallel gateway splits execution into multiple parallel tasks. Inclusive gateway executes multiple flows based on conditions. 4. Define business data and variables. Go to Data, Business Data Model to define entities and attributes. Use process variables to store runtime data. What are the best practices for developing applications in Bonita? Developing applications in Bonita BPM, requires following best practices to ensure scalability, maintainability, and performance. Here are the key best practices. 1. Process design best practices. Keep processes modular. Break down complex processes into smaller, reusable subprocesses. Use BPM in best practices. Clearly define process flows with meaningful transitions, proper gateways, and exception handling. Avoid hard-coding values. Use process variables, business data, and configuration parameters for flexibility. Optimize human tasks. Minimize user task delays by ensuring efficient assignment and clear task instructions. 2. Business data and persistence. Use business data model. BDM defines structured data models instead of relying solely on process variables. Optimize database queries. Minimize the number of queries and ensure indexes exist on frequently searched attributes. Use lazy loading. Load only required data to avoid performance overhead. Avoid excessive data in process variables. Store large data objects in the database rather than in Bonita process variables. 3. UI and form design. Leverage Bonita UI Designer. Use custom widgets and Bonita UI components for responsive, dynamic forms. Follow responsive design principles. Ensure forms work across different devices and screen sizes. Minimize client-side processing. Avoid heavy client-side logic in forms that can slow down performance. 4. Integration best practices. Use connectors wisely. Optimize usage of REST, database, and other connectors to avoid performance bottlenecks. Use external APIs for business logic. Keep business logic separate from the process definition and delegate it to external services where appropriate. Implement error handling in integrations. Ensure proper handling of timeouts, retries, and failures when integrating with external systems. 5. Security and compliance. Use Bonita authentication and authorization mechanisms. Define access control at the organization and process level. Implement data security. Ensure data is encrypted where necessary and restrict access to sensitive information. Follow secure coding practices. Validate user input and sanitize data to prevent security vulnerabilities. How to integrate Bonita platform with external systems and APIs? Integrating Bonita platform with external systems and APIs can be achieved using various built-in connectors, REST APIs, and custom scripts. Here's a structured approach to achieve seamless integration. 1. Using Bonita connectors. Bonita provides a set of out-of-the-box connectors for integration with external systems such as databases, web services, messaging queues, and more. REST API Connector enables interaction with external REST services. SOAP Web Service Connector, used for integrating with SOAP-based services. Database Connector connects with external databases, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, etc. JMS connector enables communication with message queues, example ActiveMQ, RabbitMQ. Email connector sends notifications through SMTP. Steps to configure a REST API connector. In Bonita Studio, go to Development, Connectors. Select REST connector and configure the endpoint. Set the HTTP method get, post, put, delete. Define authentication, basic, auth, API key, etc. Map request response parameters to Bonita process variables. Deploy and test the integration. 4. Integrating with external databases. If external systems store data in relational databases, Bonita can interact using JDBC database connectors, Groovy scripts with JDBC, Bonita data model (BOS) with database mapping. 5. Event-driven integration with message queues. For event-driven architecture, Bonita can integrate with Kafka, RabbitMQ, ActiveMQ, etc. Use JMS connector to publish messages. Use custom Groovy scripts to consume messages from queues. What security features does Bonita platform offer for enterprise use? Bonita platform provides several security features to ensure the protection of enterprise workflows, data, and user access. Here are the key security capabilities. 1. Authentication and identity management. Single sign-on, SSO supports SAML, OAuth 2, and LDAP for seamless authentication. LDAP and Active Directory integration enables centralized user authentication and role management. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, can be enforced via external identity providers. 2. Authorization and role-based access control, RBAC. Fine-grained permissions, access control based on user roles, groups, and organizational units. Custom authorization rules define and enforce access policies at process and task levels. 3. Data security and encryption. Data at rest encryption protects sensitive data stored in databases. Data in transit encryption uses HTTPS TLS to secure communications between users and the platform. Secure API access, OAuth 2 and JWT-based authentication for APIs. 4. Audit and compliance. Audit logging and monitoring tracks user actions, process executions, and changes for compliance. Compliance with GDPR and HIPAA provides tools for data protection and user consent management. 5. Process security. Digital signatures and certifications ensures integrity and authenticity of business processes. Process-level authorization restricts access to specific processes based on user roles. 6. Secure development and deployment. Containerization support works with Docker and Kubernetes for secure deployments. Secure configuration options enables administrators to enforce security settings like password policies and session management. 7. Threat protection. Protection against injection attacks prevents SQL injection and other common exploits. Cross-site request forgery, CSRF, and cross-site scripting, XSS, prevention implements security measures to block malicious attacks. How to monitor and optimize process performance in Bonita. Monitoring and optimizing process performance in Bonita BPM involves using built-in tools and best practices to track execution, identify bottlenecks, and enhance efficiency. Here's how you can do it. 1. Monitoring process performance in Bonita. Bonita provides several tools for real-time and historical monitoring of process execution. A. Bonita Administrator Application. Navigate to the Bonita Administrator application to view running, completed, or failed process instances. Use process metrics like execution time, task duration, and error rates. Pause, resume, or abort specific instances if needed. B. Process monitoring via Business Activity Monitoring, BAM. Bonita integrates with BAM tools to visualize KPIs and generate reports. Create custom dashboards with real-time analytics using tools like Bonita Portal Analytics, Elasticsearch, Bonita Enterprise Edition. C. Log and Audit Monitoring. Enable log tracking for deeper insights into process behavior. Use the audit log to trace transactions and detect anomalies. Configure alerts and notifications for critical events. D. REST API for custom monitoring. Query real-time process execution data using Bonita's REST API. Fetch details on task completion rates, pending tasks, and workload distribution. 2. Optimizing process performance in Bonita. Once you've identified inefficiencies, apply these optimizations. A. Optimize process design. Simplify workflows, avoid unnecessary steps that increase execution time. Parallel execution. Use parallel gateways to process tasks concurrently. Reduce looping and rework. Identify redundant tasks and remove inefficiencies. B. Task assignment optimization. Balance workload. Use dynamic task assignment to distribute work effectively. Automate manual tasks, leverage scripts, connectors, and AI-driven automation. C. Improve database and queries. Optimize database queries in Bonita connectors to reduce response time. Index frequently queried fields for faster data retrieval. Minimize unnecessary API calls that slow down execution. What are Bonita UI Designer and customization capabilities? Bonita UI Designer is the tool within Bonita BPM that allows users to create, customize, and manage user interfaces for business applications and processes. It provides a low-code environment for designing responsive and dynamic web-based UI components, including forms, dashboards, and process-related interfaces. Bonita UI Designer features drag-and-drop interface allows users to design UI elements visually with minimal coding. Customizable widgets includes built-in widgets, buttons, tables, inputs, etc., and allows for custom widget creation. Dynamic data binding enables integration with business processes and external data sources. Responsive design ensures UI adapts to different screen sizes, desktop, mobile, tablet. JavaScript and CSS customization supports custom JavaScript for dynamic behaviors and CSS for styling. REST API integration connects UI components with Bonita process data and third-party systems. Multi-page applications supports navigation across different views within an application. Reusability: components can be reused across multiple applications. Customization capabilities: custom themes and styling. Modify CSS styles to match corporate branding. Custom widgets development: develop new UI elements using AngularJS, JavaScript, and CSS. Extending functionality with JavaScript, add dynamic behaviors, event handling, and third-party integrations. Custom REST API calls fetch and manipulate external data dynamically. Localization and internationalization: support for multiple languages through translation files. Security and access control: manage permissions for UI components based on user roles. Use cases: creating interactive forms for process inputs and approvals. Designing dashboards for real-time monitoring of workflows. Embedding external data sources and APIs into applications. Customizing UI elements to align with corporate branding and user experience (UX) needs. Why choose ProExcellency for Bonita Platform online training? ProExcellency offers specialized online training for the Bonita platform, designed to equip professionals with the necessary skills to effectively utilize this powerful business process management tool. Here are several reasons to consider ProExcellency for your Bonita platform training. 1. Experienced instructors. ProExcellency boasts a team of subject matter experts and professionals who provide in-depth knowledge and practical insights into the Bonita platform. Their expertise ensures that learners gain a comprehensive understanding of the platform's features and applications. ProExcellency. 2. Flexible learning options. Understanding the diverse needs of learners, ProExcellency offers flexible training schedules, including online sessions that allow you to learn at your own pace and convenience. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for working professionals seeking to upskill without disrupting their current responsibilities. ProExcellency. 3. Positive learner feedback. ProExcellency has received favorable reviews from its learners. For instance, on UrbanPro, the institute holds a 5 out of 5 rating based on multiple reviews, with learners praising the quality of training and the expertise of the instructors. UrbanPro. 4. Comprehensive curriculum. The training program covers all essential aspects of the Bonita platform, ensuring that participants are well-versed in its functionalities and can apply their knowledge effectively in real-world scenarios. This thorough approach prepares learners to tackle various challenges they may encounter in their professional roles. 5. Commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. ProExcellency is dedicated to providing quality services, paying close attention to customer requirements, and maintaining competitive billing costs. Their focus on long-term customer relationships and proven customer satisfaction underscores their reliability as a training provider. ProExcellency. By choosing ProExcellency for your Bonita platform online training, you can expect a well-structured learning experience that combines expert instruction, flexible learning options, and a commitment to your professional growth. Thank you.